Skin Games, my name is Keisha Hamilton from Goodyear, Arizona, and this is week 2 of our new esthetician category with Valen. I chose Valen's treatment plan with intention and order. Because Valen has a history of Accutane use, her skin barrier will be considered compromised. That means jumping straight into aggressive acne treatments would only increase inflammation and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So, before I even begin correcting the acne or scarring, I will focus on stabilizing and hydrating the skin first. We will start with hydration-focused treatments such as Hydrodermabrasion, enzymes, mask, and LED therapy to replenish water to the skin. We want to reduce TEWL and calm inflammation. This will allow the skin to function the way it's supposed to, holding moisture, regulating oil, and healing properly. Once the skin is hydrated and more resilient, I will then safely introduce microchanneling because microchanneling creates controlled injuries. Strengthening the barrier first will be essential to avoid delayed healing and increased pigmentation risk. After stimulating collagen with microchanneling, I will incorporate chemical peels. These chemical peels will assist with cellular turnover, congestion, and texture, but only after the skin has demonstrated it can tolerate stimulation. So the order will remain intentional. Hydrate and repair first, stimulate second, and resurface third. This approach will allow us to heal acne, improve scarring, and protect the skin barrier at the same time, especially for melanated skin like Valen's. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I'll see you soon. Toodaloo.